If TikTok is showing a blank page in Google Chrome, don't worry, this is usually a browser issue, and in this video I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it quickly. We'll go from the simplest fixes to the more effective ones, so you can get TikTok loading properly again without wasting time. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and refresh the TikTok website. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and R on your keyboard, or by clicking the refresh button in the browser. A blank screen can sometimes happen because the page didn't load correctly the first time, so a quick refresh is always worth trying before anything else. Next, check your internet connection. Open a few other websites and make sure they load normally. If everything is slow or not loading, the problem may not be TikTok at all. Try restarting your router, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or switching to a different network if possible. A weak or unstable connection can stop TikTok from loading properly in Chrome, which can leave you with a blank page. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to clear Chrome cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes for website loading issues. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. In the window that appears, select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Then click Delete Data. Old or corrupted cache files can interfere with how TikTok loads, and clearing them gives Chrome a fresh start. After that, completely restart Google Chrome. Close every Chrome window, make sure the browser is fully shut down, then reopen it and visit the TikTok website again. Sometimes Chrome just needs a clean restart to reload fresh browser data and reset whatever was causing the blank screen. Now let's move on to extensions. Some browser extensions can block parts of TikTok from loading, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, script blockers, and privacy tools. To check this, click the three dots in Chrome, go to Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. Start disabling suspicious extensions one by one, then refresh TikTok and see if the page starts loading. If it does, you found the cause. If TikTok is still blank, turn off hardware acceleration in Chrome. Go to Settings, then System, and find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn that off, then click Relaunch. Hardware acceleration is meant to improve performance, but on some devices it can cause rendering issues, blank pages, or display problems with certain websites. Another really useful test is Incognito mode. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a new Incognito window, then go back to TikTok and try loading it again. If TikTok works in Incognito, that usually means the issue is related to extensions, cookies, or cache in your normal browser session. That gives you a strong clue about what to fix next. Finally, make sure Google Chrome is fully updated. Click the three dots, go to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if they're available. Older versions of Chrome can have compatibility problems with newer website features, so updating the browser is an important step. So to quickly recap, if TikTok is showing a blank page in Google Chrome, refresh the page, check your internet, clear cache and cookies, restart Chrome, disable extensions, turn off hardware acceleration, test incognito mode, and update Chrome. One of these steps usually fixes the issue. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and browser fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.